Hello, welcome to Group Policy Automation 101. Trying to put forward a few rudimentary get started type how-to videos to walk through the Group Policy Automation engine. Hopefully we'll move this into some other products, so let's get started. The Group Policy Automation engine, for those of you who are using it, know that is a PowerShell interface into managing group policy, essentially reading and writing settings to GPOs. It presents itself primarily in one way, but let me show you a second way that some of you may not be aware of quite yet. If I want to say, let's see, get command module STM star, I'll see a few different things here. If you notice, the fourth column is the source, that's the module. So if I want to say get module SDM GPAE script, typo, GPAE script, you'll see that there's a bunch of exported commands in there. Let's see, select object, expand property, exported commands, right? So these commands that we're going to be working with are going to be core functionality, and they're really here to provide building blocks. You're building your own workflows, your own custom automations, your business processes are going to be reflected by the scripts that you write. These are really an SDK of sorts. This is a look into how you could use and could do certain things to make it easier on your administrative users and what have you. The core commandlet, however, is coming from a module called, SDM Group Policy. SDM Group Policy, the primary commandlet in here is get SDM GP object. A second commandlet was provided when we released the product. I can't remember which release added this commandlet, but that was addressing a customer need to rename some GP preferences printers that had been deployed. But the core is get SDM GP object. So there are two modules worth of commandlets that we're going to discover, we're going to explore. Get SDM GP object being the primary. And then there's a secondary set of commandlets that come from a module called GPAE script. And these are what you will find as we walk through the capabilities. These sort of make some of your core tasks a little bit easier and more accessible. Okay, so that's pretty much the intro. Step 2 is going to be connecting to a group policy object.